Hi everyone, this is Vicky from Swift Process Private Limited, and in this session we are going to have a demo of one of our product, which is ArchiveSR, and about ArchiveSR. ArchiveSR is actually a web-based software which is made for archiving various document based on using its metadata and using all those archived documents for searching and retrieving data based on the available metadata or the available data inside the documents. So ArchiveSR uses two types of documents in the current scenario, which is one is PDF and the other is Mets Alto, and we'll look into Mets Alto in different session. In this session, we'll basically concentrate on PDF viewer, which is going to have options for all text documentation such as PDFs, docx, text files, and various XML formats, etc. So first we'll jump onto demo on PDF viewer, and let's start the demo. So in this PDF viewer, you can see this is a dashboard that we have, and in this dashboard, uh, you can see all the available data that are available, like 14 number of files for the current demo. There are 14 number of files available in the whole framework, and we have 7 number of publications, totally 9 number of regions, and 2 number of newspaper sections, and 10 number of magazine and 2 number of books. So all these data are stored at the backend with the DIAS framework. And I have to tell you about the DIAS framework, which is doing all the backend work. It's functionally developed using Java, and and it uses elastic search for searching and retrieving data from documents, and also it is using MongoDB for storing all the search and retrieving results into the database. So MongoDB is, as we all know, it is a NoSQL database, and it does not have any flaws or anything. The advantage of having MongoDB is like it's faster. It's rapid. Like once you search and click on enter, we'll get various results, which is DB is not going to delay for search and retrieving data. That's the advantage that we have in MongoDB, because obviously we are going to search a huge number of documents and retrieve huge number of data that we are going to show. So that's the reason why we went on with MongoDB, and Elasticsearch is one of the best option that is available in the market for searching and retrieving data. So that's the reason why we went on with the best in the market to produce ArchiveSR as an output. So in ArchiveSR, back to the demo, in ArchiveSR we have different options like searching into different documents. There is basic search available, which is a full text search. Once we search for a certain word, like let's say Robert, and I click on search, and we'll be having different search results available. And even in advanced search, we can search based on Based on the same search, there will be options available. Let's take the issue date. Issue date is for the first issue, it is 1864 May 7, and the next two issues are 2016 March 07, and then 2016 August 16. So once we change this date, let's change it to 2010, and click on search. So the first search result that was showing was not available. That's because we are searching in between the range of May 7th, 2010 to uh, 2018. Yeah. So that's the reason why we are having two results available here. And so we can also search based on number of pages available, and whether it can be a full text search or the title search. If we search for title, there is no hits available because robot is available only inside the document, and because the PDF that we have uploaded also does not have any bookmarks available in it. So that's the reason why it is showing these two datas. And so this is search and advanced search, the difference between search and advanced search. And also we can also have category based search that we have segregated into different tab in this section. We can also add this kind of searches inside the advanced search, which is also another option that is available for various filtration process that we are going to have. And you can also see once we search and retrieve certain text, I'll show you. We're going to have a section on the left side. There is a tab in which we can also filter based on magazine. We can also filter based on region. We can also filter based on publication. We can also these filters also can be revived back and also can be used in different sections. So, so that's one another option that we have for region based searching. And then when you mostly users will know in certain area, they will know which date it is published or which publication it is available or which region it is available. So we can also go in that particular order, like when particular publication is known. Take for example, in Alma books, I need certain books. I'll select Alma books, and we'll know which region is having that particular Alma book. So we can select the region, and also that particular available year of publication is there, and then the month of publication is there. Once we select all these options, we'll see a calendar which is going to have dates in it, and you can see the gray highlighted option available, which shows that particular date has magazine in it. So when you select different publication, let's say Nabsabad. So once you select, different years are available, and once you select that, on that particular date it is available. So once you select the date, the publication will be available. So this is how the filtration works, and I'll show it for the another option so that so you can see in that particular oil and gas, that's the output that is available. So the same way that date search also available. So these are the available years which has a different publications in it. So once you select date and month, the number of data can be shown here. Let's see, 18 May and once you select, you can see only one document is available. Let's say 2018 10, there's one document available, and this is the next option that is available is although we search and retrieve whatever number of documents that is retrieved, once we want to view the document, we have given the user-based access which can be used for whether the document is available for that particular user. Role-based access can be given, and also the user login will also be used for subscription process or any kind of a role-based access, like differentiating between one document to another for different types of viewing. Um, so let's see how viewer basically works. In category search, we have two types of viewing area. In category search, let's select one magazine. So once we select all this category and go into the particular document, so you could see the number of pages available in that particular document, and once you click on that particular page, you could see the options that are available like print, download, and you can also use this for bookmarking, attaching whatever the attachment that is given inside the page that is available for let's take one particular word, and we can use it for searching it here. Let's say past. So it can be used here. And, yeah, it's searched and it is also highlighting in that particular page, so which can be used in searching in different pages and everything. So that's how we. So in this case, it is only matching one scenario, let's say, and it is matching 12 scenario, and here one hand is highlighted, and once we click on second, and it is showing it there, and this is how it is going to redirect, so, and highlight within the page. So, and the same, there is option for highlighting all, there is option for match casing. So if the cases are matched, then it will highlight. So let's have a capital A, which is going to highlight only here, which is only having capital A and D. So this is how options are available in the PDF search, and this is when we search based on publication or based on date and select a magazine. So when you search for a particular keyword, let's say mm, let's say past, the same keyword that we have searched there, and click on search, and you can see there are two number of books available based on category. In books, there are two published. There are two books that are published, and one magazine is available, one periodicals is available, and even in region you can see inside UK we have two magazine, two probably this will be books, I think. So it will be in New York region there will be one available, and USA one document is available. Same way as in publication, Alma Books has two, and Parallel has one, and Watson Weekly Arts Journal has one in it. So totally there are four hits. The four documents contains the word past in it, and let's select one particular document. Yeah, let's select the third one. So once we select the third one, the word past is searched, and you can see the highlighted thumbnails on the left. The page numbers of 5, 6, 7, and then 14. So all these pages should contain past. You can see on the page number 6 initially, which is having the word unsurpassed, which matches the case that we have searched here. So let's select for the next page, and where you can see, yeah. So here you can see, okay, it's same as this one. So let's select fifth page. Okay, in fifth page, you can see the page number is 5, and here you can see the word past, and also in seventh page, we are having word past inside the poem, and also in 14th page, you can also see the word past that is available. So that this is how you can search and retrieve this this full text option that we have in this product is the main advantage that we can make use of, because when you know a particular keyword, and you want to search into huge number of documents, which is uh, which is a big task to do physically, and also even when you know in particular the document, when you want to search for one particular keyword into different chapters or different articles, that becomes a hectic job. So this search and retrieve process has solution in it for doing such huge task, and simplifies the way that we are going to do. So that's how ArchiveSR work, and basically the framework that we are using is, as I told you, DIAS framework is what we are using. And one more thing is file browser. Since I have logged in as administrator, I will be available for the option of file browser. So here is where we are going to upload the documents. So based on metadata, based on different category that we are searching, is going to be fetched. The metadata is going to be fetched based on the folder structure that we are going to follow here. So I'll explain you the folder structure that we are following here. So first language comes inside PDF. We have English. So inside English, we have different categories such as book, periodicals, magazine, and newspaper. And inside particular category, we have region. Region is UK, USA, etc. So here we have New York. So inside which we'll have different USA, Uppsala, Chennai, Sweden, etc. So once you go into region, we have publications, which is a publishing company, which is going to have different published documents in it. So henceforth, like we can extend the tree to any level to have multiple categories. In this current scenario, we have used three levels. We can go to n number of levels, which can be configured in DIAS framework, and we can also have an upload system, which is going to automatically upload documents in based on the metadata into the DIAS framework. So we have options like bulk upload using FTP, and also we can make use of the current browser that is going to have all the available uploading options based on whether we have the documents to be uploaded in album books, or whether we can upload in different region or anything. So which can be manually done using the browser, but still, obviously, we are going to have a huge number of documents, right? So we are having bulk upload using FTP as a major option, which can be configured by automatically fetching the metadata using the Excel files or CSV files or XML files, which we normally prefer to store the metadata and everything. So this is the basic demo on PDF viewer, and hope you had a great session on PDF viewer, and we'll catch up in next viewer in the next session. Thank you, viewers. Bye.